I'm on a monitor. I can't hear anything on a monitor. Why? Andrew, hello? Andrew.
Woo, it's been a while.
Free for all. Let's see what you got.
Dude, this is 30. Dude! Dude, how am I sucking this much? It's been forever! That's why I can't hurt you! Oh! Oh! How did you not kill me?
I don't know. I fucking missed. Oh my god.
I'm almost out of ammo. Oh! Did not meant to do that. Dude, I should have did unlimited ammo. Who are you?
I fucking damn, oh my god. Hold up.
I just gotta kill you quicker and then I can get your ammo. Boom.
How the fuck did I miss that?
Dude, I swore the quick scopes got reduced or something.
Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. No fucking way. Yo. Bro.
Finally.
Dude, you're literally all over the place. What the fuck?
Oh!
Oh shit! Yo!
You pussy!
My bad, I didn't mean to do that, like actually. I'm sorry.
That's revenge.
Dude, I swear to god, they reducing. There's no fucking way.
I noticed, like... I used to like hit them and all of a sudden it's just like miss, 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 miss. Are you? That should have hit. Okay, that time. Finally.
Are you serious? I hit you for blank again. What the hell?
No scope. Oh, yo, there.
Are you what the fuck? Yeah.
Alright, I'm getting better. To be fair. Dude, that was a no-scope! And of course, you know. Oh, you didn't hold out your sniper, you bitch. Can't get more ammo. Don't tell me your hard scope. Don't tell me your hard scope. Don't tell me your hard scope. I'm watching this. Oh no, that was a good snipe. Okay, alright.
Trust me, I'm not that bad. GG's. That was actually pretty good.
No!
Okay.
Damn! How did you get? See it. Oh, that was a nice no scope. You hit me before you even zoomed in. That was like crazy. What?
What?
That was awesome. No scope, bitch.
Damn.
Oh, stop getting closer! What the fuck are you at? Oh. Okay, that was embarrassing by me.
There you go. Reload break. Come on.
I noticed. Dude, that was no scope again! I mean, that was actually quick scope, but still.
Thank you, bro.
Oh, you got no scope on me, bruh. Move out of that spot. Oh my god.
What the fuck, like? What the fuck? Damn, bro.
Dude, that was it. Ah.
That was a hard scope. I can't even lie about that.
I didn't even spectate. Dude, that was another no scope. There we go, quick scope. That'll work too. Ah, GG. Oh. Oh no, 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 you're gay. How did I miss that? Oh, okay. I'm sucking. Oh my god.
No fucking way. I knew it was dead.
No scope. Oh, I had that, but I had to reload my gun. You're the gayest ever. Stunning the shit out of me.
I hate why am I in this position. No way, how did I miss that? What the fuck?
That was the easiest no scope I ever had. No! I heard it! Oh, my gun had to reload!
That was actually pretty
Like,
good.
not reload, but you know, like when you have to pull back your sniper clip? The fact that you keep trying to do that is like... Oh, damn. Dude, did I not even hit Marco you? Dude, I hit that! Oh my god! That was the coolest thing ever! It was only hit Marco! Oh my god. I gotta use that claymore on me, shit. Now I know you're getting desperate. Dude, that didn't hit. That's fine with me. It gets me to reload.
Same.
What the fuck?
Do you have do you have anything on your joystick? No.
I'm on PC and mouse.
Oh shit, my
You
bad.
are the gayest motherfucker.
Hold on, let me get rid of that option real quick. I keep on pressing it by accident. Don't move. What can I get rid of instead? Like a throwing knife is good or no?
Throw a knife, I guess, yeah.
Alright.
You throw it away. But you can change it mid-option?
Yeah, you can.
That's new.
Go to edit, go to loadouts, and then edit, and then it should give it there. Chill out.
Ow.
Alright.
I know, that's why I didn't shoot.
Hold up, let me throw this claymore right here. And then... it won't go away. I was just trying not to use that. Alright. Alright, continue. I think yeah, it'll come when I die next round. No fucking way, suck my penis.
I bet. No! Again! Oh. Dude, I hate you. Dude, I hit you again! Finally. I kept hitting you. It's like, oh, it had to.
Oh my god, no fucking way, man.
Oh! No! How did I not hit? I don't get how that one shot should not hit you. Oh my god.
No way.
Oh, that scared me. You're getting closer, and that scares me. Best quick scope, not best no scope, but best quick scope. Oh my god.
Hey, no.
Okay, I'm getting better. Oh!
No way.
There we go. Now I'm back. Alright,
Kinda
I felt like I sucked. I shot, but alright, GG.
GG.
Dude, how did that not hit? And I fell. Oh, thank God it was a no scope. What the fuck are you in? Oh! Yeah, I knew when I slid and didn't kill you! How did I not kill you? Fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck this. Oh, I don't like this. Oh, you tried, buddy. Oh my god! Dude, you didn't do the... Oh, you still no-scoped me! Stop no-scoping me!
Watch this.
Ooh, I didn't even... I just shot. I held you and then I just listened and shot. I didn't even see you until you're dead. Ooh. One thing I gotta remember is don't slide. Dude, I'll admit, I even tried to hardscope you there, and I still failed! Ugh. Oh, that was awesome. Dude, how the fuck did you do that? You shot me through the thing!
We're losing this fight. Get your heads in the game.
Fucking serious.
Alright, no scope only, bitch! I mean, no scope for the finest kill. Damn.
That gave us something to good work.
GG.
That was actually pretty good.
Dude, you scared me at the end. You scared me at the end.
That was actually a pretty, really good play. GG's, dude. Let me guess, you recorded all of
Fun
this,
fact-
didn't you?